In this video, we'll explain how to calculate your local hour angle, abbreviated LHA, on the site reduction form. As GHA measured the angle from the prime meridian to the longitude of the celestial body, LHA measures the angle from the longitude of the celestial body to the longitude of the observer. We need to calculate that angle. First, we get our assumed longitude from our dead reckoning by using degrees only, no arc minutes. Then we add arc minutes necessary, so when we sum or subtract it from our GHA, we'll get an answer in whole degrees. If we are in east longitude, then we subtract our assumed arc minutes from 60 and use this as the arc minutes. In our example, our dead reckoning longitude is 60 degrees west and 10 arc minutes, so we use 60 degrees west, then add 46.5 arc minutes, the same value as our GHA. This is our assumed longitude, noted as part A of the LHA. For part B, we need to look at the total LHA. If our sum or difference of the GHA and our assumed longitude would have a value less than 0 or more than 360 degrees, then for part B, we need to add or subtract 360 degrees to make certain the total falls in this range. In our example, we're in west longitude, denoted by W in our assumed longitude. We see that we need to subtract part A from our GHA. In our example, we see the GHA is 23 degrees and 46.5 arc minutes, and part A is 60 degrees and 46.5 arc minutes. When we subtract part A from the GHA, we get a value less than 0. So in part B, we add 360 degrees to keep the total LHA between 0 and 360 degrees. Now, we do the math to get our total LHA. In our example, we need to subtract part A from the total GHA, then add 360 degrees, which gives us a total LHA of 323 degrees. Remember, we want an LHA in whole degrees, which is what we got. We note our total LHA on the site reduction form. This concludes our video on LHA. To test your understanding of what we covered in this video, click on this link. It'll take you to a few questions designed to help you remember these concepts. Once you are comfortable with this material, you can move on to our next video on declination by clicking on this link.
Are you a pirate or a man of war? He cried.